Pebbles Live. Use of were in English. You were at the party. You were at the party. We were planning to go to the beach. We were planning to go to the beach. The children were playing in the park. The children were playing in the park. The flowers were beautiful. The flowers were beautiful. I wish I were taller. I wish I were taller. We were excited. We were excited. We were younger then. We were younger then. All of us were silent. All of us were silent. You were very kind. You were very kind. The cookies were delicious. The cookies were delicious. They were buying fruits. They were buying fruits. The doors were locked. The doors were locked. The prices were too high. The prices were too high. They were walking in the rain. They were walking in the rain. The movie tickets were sold out. The movie tickets were sold out. The pizzas were hot. The pizzas were hot. I wish I were rich. I wish I were rich. There were lots of jobs. There were lots of jobs. They were glad to meet her. They were glad to meet her. We were having lunch at 12:30 p.m. We were having lunch at 12:30 p.m. The fish were swimming up the river. The fish were swimming up the river. Pebbles Live.